right. A residential home doing a residential duct cleaning. Here's a rotor back system. Took off the vent. So we try to get most of the loose dust up and then go down through the system as far as we can go. This rides in the debris, and it obviously has a powerful suction. So we just keep driving it down, 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 and then we'll go through another side sometimes to return on this side. So we have all these on. And that's it, basically. Doing our rotor back system. The light so we can see. We have a camera if we need it to look down there. We can do it before and after a shot. And this particular home, we're doing a dryer vent cleaning also, and it has approximately 30 openings, returns and registers. So we're going to be doing the dryer vent, which is another important thing to do. Right here, you can see there's probably a lot of stuff right there going back in the dryer, and then it goes out from the outside of the house here, a couple feet, maybe like 7 or 8 feet out. So if you need any duct or dryer vent cleaning, please check us out, www.navescleaning.com, 610-405-2147. Let us help you. This lady here has a lot of bad asthma and allergies, so we're going to replace the filter at the end, and she'll be breathing a lot better when we're done, and her dryer is going to be a lot more efficient, and her utility bill might even save her some money after we're done everything. Give us a call.